Hellvape has teamed up with Vapin Heathen to give us the sinfully good Dead Rabbit RTA. The Dead Rabbit RTA comes with a 2ml standard capacity for those in the EU requiring TPD compliance, and has an expansion glass for 4.5ml for other regions. This little cloud chucker comes in at 25mm by 45mm, has an 810 resin drip tip with a 510 drip tip adapter, and has a sleek stainless steel constructed body with it being knurled at the top and bottom for easy grippity grippins. A feature I really love about this RTA is the top-down airflow. Now me personally, I'm an RTA junkie. It's pretty much a well-known fact around the office. What I don't like is when an RTA has its airflow at the bottom, because if it isn't wicked properly, it'll leak more than Tom Holland talking about his latest movie. Get it together, Tom. Having the airflow holes at the top and directing it down eliminates this issue and allows you to vape confidently without fear of sticky hands. Oh, and this little unalive bunny has a raised 4-post deck design and large terminal holes for easy building of any size wire. All in all, I'm totally in love with this RTA, and I'm sure you will be too. So come on down to VapeWild and get yourself one today.
Hey, seems you got through the video. That is awesome. Because of that, you should probably click that subscribe button over there. Promise you there's more videos to come, and they're always awesome. Speaking of which, click on the one over here. I guarantee you it is smooth as silk. And cut.